Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Putting yourself out there online can be intimidating. The thought of recording your face and voice, editing it all together, and then hitting upload for the world to see, well, it's not for everyone. But here's the good news. You can absolutely crush it with affiliate marketing without ever showing your face. You can build a thriving online business, connect with your audience, and generate passive income, all while staying completely anonymous. In this video, I'm breaking down my 5 favorite methods for faceless affiliate marketing in 2024. Buckle up because this is going to be good. First up, we've got the OG method that stood the test of time: blogging. Create valuable, informative content around a specific niche. Naturally weave in affiliate links to products or services you recommend, and boom. When your readers click those links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of blogging is that it's a long game. You're building an asset that can generate passive income for years to come. Once you create a piece of content, it's out there on the internet, working for you 24/7. Now let's talk about the pros of affiliate blogging. It's incredibly low cost to start. All you need is a domain name, a hosting plan, and your fingers ready to type. It's a fantastic way to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. By consistently putting out high-quality content, you build trust with your readers, and they'll be more likely to take your recommendations seriously. But like any method, affiliate blogging does have its cons. The biggest one? It takes time. You're not going to see overnight success with blogging. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to put in the work, especially at the beginning. You'll need to focus on SEO, keyword research, and promoting your content to get those eyeballs on your site. But hey, don't let the competition discourage you. With the right approach and a whole lot of hustle, affiliate blogging can be incredibly rewarding. Next, let's talk about a method that's near and dear to my heart: podcasting. You absolutely don't need to be on camera to crush it with podcasting. Audio-only podcasts are incredibly popular, and they offer a level of intimacy and connection that you just don't get with video. When you listen to a podcast, you feel like you're part of the conversation. This makes podcasting incredibly powerful for affiliate marketing. Create a podcast around a specific niche and naturally weave in recommendations for products or services that you love and use yourself. You can mention them organically throughout your episodes or dedicate specific segments to reviewing products or sharing your affiliate links. Now let's dive into the pros of podcasting. It's an amazing way to build a loyal audience. People who listen to podcasts are engaged, interested in the topic, and more likely to trust your recommendations. Plus, podcasting is surprisingly affordable to start. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment, just a decent microphone, a quiet space to record, and some free editing software. But of course, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. It takes time to build a podcast audience. You need to be patient, consistent, and focus on promoting your podcast to get those early listeners. Podcasting requires a bit more technical know-how than blogging. You need to learn how to record, edit, and publish your podcast, which can feel a little overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's totally manageable, and there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Overall, podcasting is an incredibly powerful tool for faceless affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about leveraging the power of algorithms social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest can be powerful for growing an audience and promoting products. And the best part? You can do it all without ever showing your face. Create niche-specific accounts that focus on curating and sharing content related to a particular topic. For example, if you're passionate about sustainable living, start an Instagram account dedicated to sharing eco-friendly products, tips for reducing your carbon footprint, and inspiring stories. As you grow your following and establish yourself as a trusted voice, you can start incorporating affiliate links into your posts, stories, and bio. The key here is to be authentic and genuine. Don't just spam your followers with affiliate links. Focus on providing value, building relationships, and recommending products or services that you truly believe in. Another powerful way to leverage social media for faceless affiliate marketing is through paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook ads and Instagram ads allow you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. Now let's talk about the pros of social media marketing. It's incredibly effective for reaching a large audience quickly. With billions of active users on social media platforms, the potential for growth is enormous. Social media is incredibly visual, making it perfect for promoting products in an eye-catching and engaging way. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. Staying ahead of the ever-changing algorithms can be challenging. Social media can be a breeding ground for negativity and criticism. Develop a thick skin and don't take things personally. Overall, social media marketing is a powerful tool for faceless affiliate marketing, but it requires a strategic approach and a commitment to providing value. Now let's talk about a method that's often overlooked but incredibly effective: email marketing. Email allows you to build direct relationships with your audience, deliver valuable content straight to their inbox, and promote affiliate products in a personalized way. When someone subscribes to your email list, they're giving you permission to communicate with them directly. This makes email an incredibly valuable asset for affiliate marketers. Build an email list without showing your face by creating valuable lead magnets that incentivize people to subscribe. These could be ebooks, checklists, templates, or any other type of digital product that provides value to your target audience. Once you have a growing email list, start sending out regular newsletters, sharing valuable content related to your niche, and naturally incorporating affiliate links into your emails. The key here is to provide value with every email you send. Don't just bombard your subscribers with affiliate offers. Focus on building relationships, providing helpful information, and recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in. Now, let's dive into the pros of email marketing. It allows you to build a direct line of communication with your audience. Unlike social media, where your reach is at the mercy of algorithms, with email, you have a direct connection with your subscribers. This makes email an incredibly powerful tool for building relationships and driving conversions. Another major advantage of email marketing is that it's incredibly affordable. There are a ton of great email marketing services out there that offer affordable plans, even for beginners. But of course, email marketing does have its drawbacks. One of the biggest challenges is standing out in a crowded inbox. Focus on writing compelling subject lines, providing valuable content, and segmenting your list to ensure that you're sending the right message to the right people at the right time. Let's talk about a method perfect for creating engaging content without being on camera: animated videos. Animated videos are fantastic for explaining complex topics, telling stories, and grabbing attention. Use them for explainer videos, product demos, educational content, and more. Creating animated videos can be affordable with the right tools and resources. You don't need to be a design expert to get started. User-friendly software and AI-powered tools simplify the process. Incorporate affiliate marketing by weaving in recommendations naturally. Include affiliate links in descriptions, mention them in videos, or add call to actions. Animated videos are engaging and capture attention effectively. They can be shared and repurposed across multiple platforms. However, they can be time-consuming to create. So there you have it. 5 incredible methods for crushing it with affiliate marketing without ever showing your face. Remember, the key to success with any of these methods is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and see what works best for you and your niche. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The most important thing is to get started, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The world of online business is constantly evolving, so stay adaptable, embrace new technologies, and never be afraid to put yourself out there, even if it's from behind the scenes.